Okay, so I'm at the Shibuya crossing right now, and I'm gonna take the subway back to Shinjuku. So I'm saying on here to take the Shinjuku. So I'm gonna go down here and take the Fukuda line. I wanted to stay in this area a little longer, but I'm running out of phone life, and this is my first night in this hotel. So I don't really know exactly how to get there, so I am relying on my phone to get back. It's crazy how I navigated myself all around Europe without a phone, but nowadays you need a phone. So you just follow where it says Buddhist line, and once you get there, I'm taking it to Shinjuku Station. And then I'll get off there, and it's like a 10-minute walk to my hotel. So you go over here. I'm gonna have to figure out how to get a ticket. So you get to follow along with me on that process right now. I want to go to Shinjuku F13. I'm gonna go to F. This is definitely all in Japanese. So, one adult. Yes. We're going to purchase ticket. We're going to 13 platform ticket. I'm not sure what I'm getting right here. Excuse me.
What?
Shinjuku? How do I get?
Shinjuku?
Yeah.
Shinjuku.
It's Fukushin line.
Sorry. Shinjuku.
Okay, you call?
Help.
Somebody will come?
Sure. Station helper.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay. ありがとう。
すみません。外国の方ちょっと金額がわかんないのかな。
I'm trying to get to Shinjuku. So the Fukushin line?
Fukushin line. Subway machine.
Next machine? Okay. Alright, so I'm definitely lost here. Okay, he just popped out of another hole here. Okay.
180.
Okay. I guess I put the coin in here. So I put in 500. It's going to give me my 320 back and my ticket. And now I just need to follow the line. And we're going to the Fukuda line. Okay, well you got to see what it's like when you have no idea what you're doing. It was pretty cool to see that little Wizard of Oz guy pop his head out. Okay, so we're headed to the Fukuda line. See, right there you got to experience what it's like when you don't know what you're doing somewhere and how you can get help. You just have to ask. Even if they don't speak the language, you kind of just point and say names of cities and you can find your way. So now I'm still just following the line here to Kutoshin. And then this ticket I will put in the machine and it'll take me to Shinjuku Station. But here's your view of the subway. And it says to go to platform 5-6. There. It says 5-6. Put your ticket in here. Pops out over here. Shoot a line this way. I still see 5-6 over there. Kudoshin line. Signs pointing down here. So for those of you trying to get to Shinjuku from Shibuya, that's partly how it's done. I'll tell you one thing, it only took me like a day to get used to just talking. Like, I don't really care what anybody thinks, I'm just gonna talk and just walk. It's like, I'm glad it only took me a day to get used to that. So, here we go. That was weird, you couldn't buy any ticket at any station though, you had to go to a specific one. And that guy popping his head out of the thing was almost worth it more. I don't know where to go here. Here it says here. Going to the Kodo line. I don't know which one this is. I don't know if this is the train I'm supposed to go on or not. 5-6. I guess it's this one. I honestly do not know.
西武線内は快速です。新宿3丁目の次は池袋に停まります。東新宿、西早稲田、雑司ヶ谷へおいでのお客様と丸ノ内線、都営新宿線はお乗り換えです。The next stop is 新宿3丁目 F13. This train は池袋に停まります。Arriving at 新宿3丁目 F13. The next stop after 新宿3丁目 is 池袋。
Okay, so now I'm going to pull my phone out again. See the best spot to get out here. It is saying follow signs to the Isetan Easy Access Gate. Exit via E2. So I gotta find E2, which I do not see. There's E8. Isetan Easy Access Guide. E1 to E4, up the escalators. It says you are here. We go to Isetan District Gate. I'm gonna try the next set of escalators. I don't think that's the one. Looking for E2. It could be, but okay, this one still says this way, so I'll go back this way. Ton. This way still. So I guess it is this way over here. But it's confusing because when you get over here, it doesn't say.
The train arriving at track 4 is not in service.
It doesn't say the E's here. Maybe I had to go up that escalator. No, see, this is the Isetan line. I need to go back down. Once again, this is very confusing. I'm usually really good at this. Because right here, it doesn't say anything about E2. It only says it over here. But there's nowhere to go up. It doesn't make any sense. E1 through 4. Exit. Escalator hours 7 to 15. Well, we're past 15, so I guess I gotta go the B3 area. I don't know. This is interesting. Do not know what to do here. Let's look on here. Gotta look back on my phone again. Alright, I gotta figure out how to get back. Isetan Easy Access. Exit. Escalator hours. Well then how the hell do I get up there? Alright, part of me wants to turn this camera off and figure this out, but it makes it more entertaining for you to figure it out with me. Alright, we're just going to go up to this district gate up here. We're just going to figure it out. There's no other way to get there from there. So I guess we're going to have to see what's up here at the Marinucci line. Ikebukuro. That sounds right. Over here it says for Shinjuku. This one says for Shinjuku, so I think we're just gonna go on here. We're going to M8. I guess I'm going to M8. Let's go over here, it's easier. Alright. Looks like the next stop. Okay, so we're getting somewhere now. Shinjuku. Now we gotta figure out where the heck I gotta go from here. JR line I know is normally something I want to go on. East Gate. I'd be fine with getting out here if that's an option. If the East Gate is an entrance, I'm going there. Otherwise you have the JR line, East Gate. Let me see. To platform. Sir, to get to the city, I go East Gate? East Gate brings me outside? A9. A9? Upstairs A9. Okay. Alright, there we go. A9 upstairs. Whoops. Oh well. I did that wrong. I'm supposed to use my ticket there, but I didn't. Alright. So A9 exit. That was interesting. Alright, so now we go up these stairs and we're outside. Alright, so sometimes it's not as easy as the Google Maps sends you. And you kind of have to figure it out. But that's how you figure it out. Amateur style. So now, I'm gonna figure my way out. Oh, there it is. All right. So now we're home sweet home. Back to the cat billboard. Here we are. So I'm gonna turn the camera off now and walk to my hotel from here. So I'm glad you got to see that though. Let's finish off on the cat billboard again.
新宿には深刻な被害があります。万引きです。
万引きは重大な犯罪です。万引きが判明した場合、速やかに警察
Peace out for video number 7.